Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you snow sports enthusiasts out there. We're going to take a closer look at the Unigear Ski Backpack, the best snowshoeing backpack available in the market. You're out in the snow-covered wilderness, ready for an epic day of snowshoeing, skiing, or snowboarding. But what's the one thing you need to make your adventure a breeze? That's right, a reliable and versatile backpack. That's where the Unigear Ski Backpack comes into play. So, what makes this backpack stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into its key features. First off, the Unigear Ski Backpack offers ample storage with its 22-liter capacity. It's the perfect size for a day out on the slopes or exploring the snowy trails. You'll be amazed at how much you can fit inside. Now, let's talk about organization. This backpack features individual compartments that allow you to keep your gear neatly organized. Whether it's your ski shovel, ice axes, ski gloves, clothing, phone, or even a 14-inch laptop, this backpack has dedicated space for it all. Plus, there's a velvet-lined goggle pocket to protect your ski goggles from scratches. Comfort is crucial when you're on the move. The Unigear Ski Backpack boasts an ergonomic design. The S-shaped elastic shoulder belts won't hinder your arm movement, and the air-permeable PE foam inverted Y-shaped back panel keeps your back dry and comfortable. It even has a hip belt with a waist strap and an adjustable sternum strap for secure and comfortable carry. Snow and cold conditions can be tough on your gear, but this backpack can handle it. The main shell is made from durable 900D polyester, and the side panels have a PU coating for added strength. The bottom of the backpack is scratch-resistant, and it's water-repellent grade 3 to 4, so you don't have to worry about your gear getting wet. When it comes to carrying your equipment, the Unigear Ski Backpack has you covered. It features adjustable ski carry straps with sturdy webbing, perfect for vertical snowboard carry. There are also dual loops for ice axes and ski poles. Plus, lateral stretch mesh pockets can hold your water bottle or trekking poles. And here's the best part. Unigear stands behind their product with a 365-day 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely happy with it for any reason, their customer service will help you out. Alright, folks, you've seen the impressive features of the Unigear Ski Backpack. From its spacious compartments to its ergonomic design and durability. It's truly the best companion for your snowshoeing or winter sports adventures. So, whether you're hitting the slopes or exploring the winter wonderland, don't forget to grab the Unigear Ski Backpack. It's your ticket to a hassle-free and enjoyable snowshoeing experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic product reviews. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.